welcome to Fred's Cooking. I'm your host, Freddy, and today we're making sushi.
Hey guys,
Come on, you have to spoil my cooking show.
Well, we can do it at the end of the video.
Oh, fine.
Okay, I'm Lightning Rocket, and in this perler bead video, we're making Freddy from Five Nights at Freddy's. He's the final build of the series, and he's also the main character, so I hope you enjoy. He is pretty simple. You can fit all the pieces comfortably on 2 pegboards. First, we'll put on his tail, making sure to iron in and all the other pieces on both sides. Moving on to his face, we put on the 2 connectors to keep his snout in place. Once that's in, we take his sides and snap them in, keeping the 2 bead holes closer to the bottom. When you put his arms in, they may hang down like mine did. If that's the case, simply flip them over and the issue should be fixed. Now that the front and sides are in, we take the back and push it in. Whoops, wrong side. Now for his head. We'll start by snapping in his hat from the front. Now this is the fun part. To put his ears in, we just slide them in from the sides. Now we're almost done. Taking the bottom plate, we put in the last connector in, making sure that it's all the way. Now we'll take those small squares and slide them on. The legs are finished. I hope you enjoyed this perler beading tutorial. If you did, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and make sure to also leave a like. Also, comment what you want me to build next. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye.